Ama-life journeys wethu awafani emhlabeni ngoba nathi asifani, and I always emphasize the fact ukuthi akumelanga ukuthi sijajane because awazi ecathulweni zomuntu ukuthi kwenzakalani. Into wena oyizwayo uyifila ngaphakathi, ufile so strongly about it, omunye umuntu akayiboni. So understand ukuthi ngesikhathi ungayiboni into yomunye umuntu, ungayizwa, yena uyizwa ngale ndlela nawe uzwa le yakho wena le oyithandayo. But-ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sizo-understanda, sizama ukuthi sibe compassionate, singajajani, singabangi nje futhi umsindo. Because I mean impilo yaphambili, impilo iyamova, everything is energy, everything is changing, nothing remains the same kulo mhlaba esiphila kuwona. We need to embrace i-change because i-change iyona esikhulisayo. If singashintshi ngeke size selapheka. Ukulapheka is about changing. If when you want to remain the same, then you won't heal from whatever it is that you are going through. Because sonke size lana uzokhula emandleni spiritually. Sinavigate impilo zethu nama-life lessons ethu until we go back to the source in the most purest form. So for me, I started off as a spiritual medium, right? But previously to that, bengingayi esontweni because angizange ngiyizwe ngaphakathi into yenkolo engakhulela kuyona. Mangiye esontweni ayikho into ebengiconnecta nayo, but there was something inside of me eyayithi you should be connecting. Then I said, I'm not connecting, then what's the point? But then years later ngaba spiritual medium, ngaconnecta kakhulu, and I connected to love when I was doing izinto zedlozi, when I was starting it off. But I didn't understand, I didn't have a complete picture of what was happening. I only knew nje ukuthi labantu abadala ababuyayo basenkingeni badinga ukukhanya, we need to cleanse them off and send them back. But the only problem was that ngizothi iZChrist of the time yayingavumelani ne-practice mhlawumbe that I was introduced to, because into yami namanje isathi cleanse abantu abadala off and release them. Ungabathathi uba godle because ababelongi kuthina, babelonga kuNkulunkulu. Because if we do that, we end up putting emphasis enkulu kubona bese singabe sisaconnecta noNkulunkulu. Also on the same note, uNkulunkulu okaNombani kutholakala noma ngephi. You don't necessarily have ukuthi uzuye esontweni ukuze uthole uNkulunkulu. Do whatever it is that you can that resonates with you ukuthi uthole uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uthando, uNkulunkulu asikho isidingo sokuthi mhlawumbe ungaze ube umuntu okhuluma kakhulu ngaye, kodwa mina as far as I'm concerned uNkulunkulu kumele ukukhombise uNkulunkulu sibone. You don't even have to tell us, you don't even have to show off. So into yedlozi ngayithola ngendlela efana naleyo ukuthi abantu abadala sibageze baphindile kuNkulunkulu ngoba bathi bafuna uthando, bafuna ukukhanya. Ngaba ne-glimpse ke encane when I started off ukuthi le light lolu thanda abantu abadala abalufunayo uyeke uNkulunkulu lona ke, they want to go back to the source. Because ke things bezihlangahlangene kakhulu, trying to deal with ama problems abantu, trying also to deal with indlela abantu abenza ngayo izinto. It gets frustrating at times because when you, like I was talking about lento yeZChrist ukuthi it was like indlela ebengiza ngayo bebengayi understand kakhulu abantu because ibiclasha nezinto, because into ibithi kumina asikho isidingo sokuthi uchithe igazi uma uzocleanse abantu abadala ukuze bangene kuNkulunkulu, not unless ubacleansela something else. Asikho futhi isidingo sokwenza izinto udinga inhlambuluko ngaphakathi kuwena. Udinga futhi izinto ezinatural ukuba cleanser off, you know. Hayi izinto ezicomplicated zemithi nokucaba nani, hayi izinto ezicomplicated kanjalo. If labantu abadala ubacleansela ukuthi abahambe bayongena kuNkulunkulu. So leyo nto leyo yenza ukuthi bese ngiba ne-conflict yokuthi how am I going to convince abantu ukuthi kahle kahle angisona isangoma. I'm not your normal sangoma, I'm just a healer, I'm a spiritual medium. And my calling is to set free the spirit so that bazoreleaseka on their journey, ibe successful journey yokuhamba emhlabeni. It took me a long time kodwa-ke to also come to terms ukuthi isikhathi akusona isikhathi. There's a guy owangi-introduce kule documentary mina yeZChrist, and it resonated with me a lot because I understood ukuthi okay, we are in the age of Pisces and soon to move to Aquarius, which means ukuthi there's going to be a lot of changes, and change had already begun, but we were not exactly into the next phase le ye-Aquarius esesikuyona manje. So when things change, abantu abafuna ukushintsha, abantu abasheshi bashintsha ngoba sebefoselekile. But when it change is coming, akekho, not a whole lot of us see it changing ngesikhathi esisodwa. But once abanye bawelela ngaphesheya, then ke base beyaqala ke badonsa abanye ke, uthola ukuthi after some time bonke abantu sebe right ke manje with the changes futhi sebe acceptile. Kodwa uma isaqala i-change ayamukelwa abantu abaningi. Sina sijwayele ukuthi sibambelele ey'ntweni ey'ndala, kuthi makhona into eqhamukayo siyi-resiste until we don't have a choice. Even right now umhlaba uyashintsha ungena kwi-4th dimension. It's the same thing that is happening yokuthi the old structures are failing manje, azowa, and then kuvuka amasha. Leyo nto hayi ukuthi into eshiwoyo nje kuphela. If you can look around uyayibona all around you. We are being introduced to uNkulunkulu umdali, the source, the light, ngendlela entsha, ngendlela e-excitayo, esho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngaphakathi kuwena, awudingi futhi omunye umuntu ukuthi azakuxhumanise noNkulunkulu. But it's your choice ke if wena ubona ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzosiza omunye umuntu ukuthi umthole, and umthole ngempela, wonderful. I mean nalapho futhi it's good as long as umthole uNkulunkulu bese wenza kahle futhi nawe ubumuntu onobuNkulunkulu, onothando, onakekelayo abanye abantu njengoba uzinakekela wena, o-understandayo futhi ukuthi omunye umuntu uyimini. It's just that sikuma stages angafani, but leyo stage umuntu akuyona iyamsebenzela. Into kaNkulunkulu ke into efana naleyo into eyodwa, but ngoba thina asifani, si-experience ngendlela engafani. But one thing I can bet on eyokuthi ubuNkulunkulu buyabonakala. Singakhuluma ngabo kodwa uma bungekho abukho, futhi ungamazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu unjani ngoba umfundile or uyezwa abanye bekhuluma. Kodwa uma kuwukuthi awukhombisa ubuNkulunkulu, kusho ukuthi leyo nto into oyichremile. Into oyichremile for some reasons leyo ke wasuyayenza. So for me ngalenza idlozi with the understanding yokuthi okay, this is the light of God le kumele labantu sibathathe sibayise kuyona, noma ngabe sibageza ngayiphi indlela, but as long as kuyindlela engeke izibaphindisele emuva baxabanise noNkulunkulu futhi it's okay ke, asibasabotage. And then ke sahamba isikhathi, and then I was introduced to movement ye-Hare Krishna somewhere somehow, because uma wenza idlozi ulapha abantu, now usukuney'nkinga zedlozi vele. When you tap into leya realm yabantu abadala, uthola iy'nkinga ey'ningi laphayana ngoba vele bonke basezinkingeni, banezizathu ey'ningi ezibenza bahlale laphaya. But-ke siyakwazi ukuthi balungiseke. Mase belungisekile baye babonge ngendlela ababonga ngayo. And it's not only abantu bakini abadala begazi, kukhona nezinto lezi ey'fana nomdliwa or umndawu, izinto ezithestayo ngempela as a human being. Futhi mangabe kuthiwa ikhona enye indlela, I would maybe advise abantu ukuthi into yamandla nemimoya bayibuke ngendlela eserious. Yeah, because akuyona into encane. But anyway, uma isiphelile yonke ke leyo journey ke, because once waqala wabalapha kuqhamuke ukuze kuqhamuke nalawo ma-foreign spirits, nawo kufanele ukuthi was-navigate indaba yawo. Kodwa mese zafika kwena athi siyabonga usuqedile, which is what happened to me. Usungakhululeka ukuphila impilo yakho because uba nama-restrictions vele ukuthi awukwenzi lokhu, ungakwenzi lokhu, ayinanokuthi awukwenzi, kuvele kungenzeki because wena kusamele ukuthi ugeze, you know, i-bloodline, this and that. So for me, when they came bathi sebe right, usungenza noma ngabe yini-ke oyithandayo-ke empilweni yakho manje, asizukunikeza, asizukubophezelela. Ngaqala phansi ngazibuza imibuzo eminingi, and then I embarked on a journey to understand amanye ama-cultures, to understand, because I had always resonated mina with the Indian culture. It's a long story, yeah. Even way back, mhlambe kuma bloodline army, I think there is a connection somewhere, somehow. So I went looking. I'm not even sure what I was looking for, but I knew there was something inside of me that needed something from Indian culture. I went and ngaya ISKCON. When I got there, ngababuza imibuzo yokuthi I need to find out ukuthi why ningenazi izangoma, as in, esangoma, the sense of a word, and also yini eniyenzayo ukuthi kubreak ama-generational cases for good. Because leyo nto ngiyibonile ukuthi we end up silokhu senza one and the same thing kodwa ingaqhubeki. I-information engayitholayo, number one, ile, well, of course I already knew ukuthi we are spirits, we're not this body, but yaba more emphasized, and yangijabulisa mina because mina angithwasanga mina, and le information enganginayo engilapha ngayo abantu, i-information engangiyithole as ama-downloads nje from the source, from the universe. So to have someone avumelane nawe kuleyo nto, just kube naleyo re-emphasis yokuthi awudukile, we are just a spirit, and for us we are just occupying this body because this is the lifetime esikuyona. Maybe next time we occupy another body, but the most important thing eyokuthi once umuntu aseshonile kumele ukuthi simkhulekele ahambe ohlala noNkulunkulu, so that's lawo ma-generational cases ezobreakeka, angabuyi umuntu omdala ezosihlupha as such. I understand-ke also ukuthi nakhona kwi-Indian culture bakhona abanawo ama-healers wabo abenza all forms of healing, but for me personally I was like, ayikho yini enye indlela esheshayo yokuthi it mustn't take you 10 years ukuklenza abantu abadala kuloku qhamuka lo nalo. Why singaveli lento? And I was stunned mina the time befika kumina bese usuqedile, because ngase ngitshela ngeke baphinde bafike. Even mina mangilapha abantu, I knew ukuthi I was doing lento ye karma, because abantu bakithi abadala vele I knew ukuthi banezinto eziningi engalungile ababezenzile. Abantu abadala bayona bengazi, mase bengale bese bethola ukuthi lento ibingalungile, especially abantu abalwa izimpi, or abantu ababe amakhosi bephethe bethatha izinqumo zokuthi ababulawe laba ini zonke lezo zinto ziyabuya. So mase bebuya usuba lungiselela abantu abadala, uyuthola ukuthi yes uyalapha abantu uyabasiza, but then again khona lento eshoyo ukuthi this is not enough, ayipheleli la lendaba le, ayiphelele nje just here, we need to really elevate it to something else, so that nawe emhlabeni uzokwazi ukuthi uphile impilo ezokusatisfy, ukwazi nawe ukuthi wenze okuhle. Anyway yeah, so that's how it went, and I felt ukuthi I understood yonke into yakhona. Ngase ngifunda nendaba ye-meditation, ngafunda nama-mantras. It set me free, because mina I was never the one who was meditate, because I was always busy with my problems, abantu trying to sort out things. Bengenaso isikhathi sokuhlala phansi nje ngikwazi ukumeditata. I tried, but angaze ngimthole umuntu alright ukuthi angifundise ukumeditata. I tried even ukuya kuma-classes e-yoga, but even kwi-yoga my teachers mina kodwa phela yeah bebengazange bangifundise mina ukuthi when we do yoga kahle kahle we are trying to connect with the source. I didn't know that, but anyway ISKCON kuyi-Hare Krishna movement bangifundisa indaba ye-meditation, and then ngaqala nga-relaxa, ngaqala ngaba calm, ngaqala ngakwazi ukufunda izinto zo-manifestation, and then ngase ngiya-realize ukuthi if usaney'nkinga zedlozi yonke into iba nzima, kodwa mase uba-releasile bahamba yonke into iba clear, and you are reconnected with the source, you get reconnected to the light. angeke ngikwazi ukuyi-explainer i-feeling yothando abangipha yona, and I will forever be grateful mina to ISKCON for what they did to me, for what they did for me. I-introduction abanginikeza yona yangenza nga-elevator kakhulu spiritually, ngaba nale calm, ne-peace, ne-happiness le engeke ngize ngikwazi ukuyi-explainela umuntu. And to understand ukuthi we are just spirits, you are a spirit, ithi into we need to find God, right? Ukuthi umthola kuphi kanjani, it's a matter of a personal choice. Also because awuzazi ukuthi ububani in your past life. Ungayenza into eyenziwa kwi-community yakho because usayingane, but once you come of age you need to find yourself ukuthi wena kahle kahle ubani. If you feel drawn to something, it might not be because of who you are now, it might be because of who you were in the past. Find yourself and lean towards something that resonates to you. Ungalandeli peer pressure yabangani nobantu babonayo. Be your own self, because uNkulunkulu ngaphakathi kuwena, and uNkulunkulu uma umuzwa ngaphakathi kuwena, umlalela, umlandela, uzokuholela uNkulunkulu ekukhanyeni. So this is just my story and I'm grateful for it, and I will forever be grateful nje. Even when the time I went to India, mina, it became like a dream, because by then I had begun to understand ke ukuthi it's not only about idlozi. It's really not about that. There is a whole lot of other things that are happening outside of idlozi that are affecting our lives. And masisedlozini thina sibuya inkinga zedlozi sibheka zona kuphela, and yet idlozi is just a certain aspect. The problem is once usasesedlozini ubuka le nyama wena ukuthi uyinyama ewilombala, awubuki spirit. When you begin to see the spirit, you begin to understand ukuthi okay, maybe in my past life bengise Mexico, ngiyi-Mexican, or bengise India, or bengise Egypt. Lapho ke umqondo wakho uyavuleleka ke ukuthi maybe lama methods engiwasebenzisayo ngisebenzisa ama methods enyama, angisebenzisa ama methods e-spirit. Set your spirit free. It doesn't say set your spirit free because your spirits need to be free. Ama spirits ethu kusho ukuthi awekho free. Vele awekho free uma ezobuya uNkulunkulu azosi-affecta la emhlabeni. The reason why we share these stories, and you are going to see a lot of this happening manje kule age esingene kuyona, because it's an age of using knowledge esinayo to spread it and let people aba-resonate hayo bathathe lokho abangakuthatha bafunde from you, bese kuthi naye umuntu akuzwayo ngaphakathi akukhiphela abanye, because we understand manje ukuthi we are one. I am you, you are me. Everything is one. Everything is now. Once wangena kuleso stage soku-understanda, ya relax, awubusawara ngokuthi umuntu utheni, mina ngizwa leyo nto, khona abanye abayizwayo. And there's a whole lot of other people abazoyiza bayithathe bayisebenzisa. It's all about empowering other people, because omunye umuntu wena angeke uthi une-information which is going to set free abanye abantu and then igodle kuwena. And people need to understand ukuthi you mustn't be confined into a corner. Set yourself free and do what comes from within, because we are connected. We are all connected, and there is an abundance of everything in this universe. Everything that you need, everything that you want is already out there waiting for you to tap into it and use it. People shouldn't be confined ukuthi mina ngikhulele lana, ngakhula kanje and ngizoshonela lana. Angeke ngiyenze into kanjena because mina angikho, angiyena lela bala, angiyona into ekanjena. Enye age ke le esesingene kuyona manje. Just know ukuthi the only limitations onawo ilawa ozinika wona wena.